Well, good morning, everybody. Welcome back to day number 41. Day number 41 on the Urban Micro Farm. So, I have to, first of all, we have to make sure that all the birds are going to stay in. So Mandy is in there. Hey, birds, get back over there. Get back over there. No, you're going the wrong way.
What?
Oh, I'm trying to keep these birds in.
Oh,
there we go. Got them back in.
Make knots like this.
All right. So Mandy's getting those lowered down. This is a nice thing about bringing help out in the morning, is that I not only get to videographer, but she gets to lower all the feeders. So I have to introduce everybody to a new member of the Urban Micro Farm team. I'd like to introduce everyone to, this is Mandy Kaczynski. Mandy Kaczynski is Theodore Kaczynski's sister. Some of you might know of Theodore Kaczynski as being the Unabomber. Well, this is Mandy the Uni Farmer. She's the Uni Farmer, not the Unabomber. So she told me, she's like, I don't want to be on camera today. So too bad.
I told him, I said, I think I look like the Unabomber.
Yeah, she thinks she's the Uni Farmer. So Mandy's, I'm just going to sit here and make jokes while Mandy lowers the feeders and tries to contain all the birds. Sorry about that little hiccup there. But so yeah, everybody's doing well. Everybody seems to be happy. They're hungry, you know, they're ready for breakfast. So we're gonna get them fed, and then we'll check in with you guys this afternoon. So now Mandy has a well-deserved day off today, so she has to run to the feed store and get more feed, because these birds are like having teenage kids at home. They just eat everything in sight. So Mandy will do that, and we will check in this afternoon. We'll probably let these birds out, because we've got nothing else going on. We'll probably let these birds out to graze a little more this afternoon. Now, the grasshoppers are getting kind of scarce right now, so there's fewer than were out here just a few days ago. So we might have to leave them out a little longer to get those grasshoppers eaten. So we'll check out with you for right now. There you go. She's going to have some escapees, but we'll check out with you, and then we'll catch back up with you this afternoon. Well, good afternoon, everybody. Wyoming James checking in again from the Urban Micro Farm. So we are back out here late afternoon, had a long day at the office, and now we are out amongst them. And what do you know? There are no feet in the air. Well, maybe. Nope, no feet in the air. So we have, how many? I don't even know how many chickens we have out here these days, but we have, you know, just over 100 live chickens. So now it's a little windy, so I hope this is turning out all right. I hope my little wind deflector thing is working, but we're going to turn these birds out and get the tractors moved real quick and get them all put away, get them watered, get the feed picked up, and we are going to call it another day on the Urban Micro Farm. So we'll be checking in with you shortly. All right, so as promised, we told you we were gonna show you the magic of trained chickens. So here's what happens. Mandy gets them rounded up around the feed bucket. Some of them round up around the water bucket. Mandy will head into the tractor with the feed bucket. I'll follow her with the water bucket. And we should have about 95% of them in the tractor at that point. So we'll see if it works in practice as well as it does in theory.
Okay, ready? You get the water and I'll get the feed. Come on, baby.
right, well that was easy. Yes, that's what well-trained chicken birds look like. So that's it. Another day has ended out here on the Urban Micro Farm, and we are glad to report that all is well. So Wyoming James, Powder River Mandarin, checking out day number 41. Day number 41. Adios.